So recently Samsung has just released their new flagship S24 Ultra or S24 or 24 Plus. It got a new stock wallpaper, and today's video I'm gonna show you how to get it on your iPhone. You can see on my 15 Pro Max right here I got S24 Ultra stock wallpaper, and they are in HD high definition wallpaper, and you can see I got all of those. Now let me show you how to get this amazing wallpaper. For your iPhone, just go ahead and go into Safari, and then all you have to do just search for Samsung S24 Ultra wallpaper, and then you're gonna find a lot of links here, but the first one is the one that you need to click. Just go ahead and click on this one, and then you're gonna scroll down a bit more, and until you find a link where you can like save it from a Telegram. It is right here. You have Samsung Galaxy S24 wallpaper, you have live wallpaper and still wallpaper. Select the one that you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and select Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Click on the static wall, and then it will redirect you into Telegram channel here. And there are many wallpaper that you can save. Just go ahead and select the wallpaper and save it into your iPhone, just like that. Click on save image, and then let me select this one. I can just go ahead and save as well. After that, just go ahead and go back into photo and just select the wallpaper that you want to set on your iPhone. Click on use wallpaper, and that's it. Just add into your lock screen or your home screen, and you get this new wallpaper. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.